lovely people. This video is for my new couponers, for the people that desire to shop at CVS but don't have any extra bucks, or you want to start back couponing at CVS. This is going to be a great deal. You're going to spend $5 and you're going to get your $5 back. And at the end, you're going to have 4 pieces of product. So this is what you're going to do. The first deal you're going to do is going to be the paparazzi nail polish. This week at CVS, the paparazzi nail polish has a deal for extra bucks where you purchase 2 and you get back $4 in extra bucks. So the cost is 2 for $5. They're going to cost you 2 for $5 in this first transaction. So you're going to pay $5 plus tax, but at the end, they're going to give you a $4 extra buck. What you're going to do with that $4 extra buck, you're going to then do your second transaction, and you are going to purchase 2 of the Maybelline Baby Lips, which are these little lip balms right here that I really like. I keep them in my purse. They are priced in my store, they were priced at $4.49 each. Now this week, there is a deal where you buy 2 and you get a $5 extra buck back when you purchase 2 Maybelline cosmetics. And you're going to also get a $2 CRT, or the red machine coupons, the CVS coupons that print out, that look like this. It's going to print when you scan your card out of the red box, okay? So you're going to purchase these 2 for $4.49 each, making them be $9.18. You're going to give them that $2 Maybelline L'Oreal CRT, because I believe it had, it was good for $2 off purchasing 2 Maybelline or 2 L'Oreal, okay? So then you're going to also give them that $4 extra buck that you got from purchasing the paparazzi. You're going to give them that $4 extra buck, and that is going to make your out-of-pocket be $3.18 plus tax. You're going to pay that, and then they're going to turn right back around and they're going to give you a $5 extra buck. Ha! That's a good deal, lovely people. Real simple, real easy. You don't even have to have any doggone coupons, because they're going to give you the coupons. So what better deal is that? You're going to end up with a $4 extra buck from purchasing the paparazzi, and then at the end, you're going to end up with a $5. Now, the reason why mine is still here is because I have more extra bucks than that. So I actually did mine as one complete transaction, okay? Also, last but not least, this is totally not giving you any extra bucks, but that's fine because it's still a good deal, okay? You're going to get this to print out at the red box, 74% off select Hershey's and Cadbury Easter candy, see ad, okay? So they had some candies at the front, the candy bars, the single candy bars. This had the little 99-cent tag, and then it had this this little yellow tag telling you this CRT was printing out of the red box machine. So that made this be like 25 cents for a candy bar. Great deal. Get your free candy. Well, it's not free, but it's almost free. It's darn near free. So, lovely people, I hope that small little new couponer challenge was easy for you, I guess you could say. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments below of this video. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, lovely people. I want you to have some extra bucks so you can get to rolling in extra bucks, because you know what we're trying to do? We're trying to build our stockpile so we can shop our stockpile. Remember, click to save and you will be amazed. If you haven't checked out my stockpile update video, I'll make sure I link it in this video so you can go see what Coupon and Crystal stockpile is looking like. Bye-bye. Hey, lovely people, make sure you keep in touch. Email me at couponingcrystal@yahoo.com, or you can see me on Instagram and Facebook as Couponing Crystal. If you like this video, please make sure you give it that thumbs up and share it with your other couponing friends. Bye-bye.